In this video, I'm making a superfood face mask. Green blend superfoods, mix, mix. Chia seeds, mix, mix. Hemp seeds, mix, mix. Flax seeds, cranberries, smash. Kale. Keep watching and see me make a delicious smoothie out of all the ingredients. Spinach, smash. Mix, mix. Cotton candy grapes, smash. Mix, mix. Blueberries, smash. Raspberries, smash. Mix, mix. Blackberry, smash. Strawberry, smash. Yellow lemon, orange lemon, green kiwi, yellow kiwi, smash. Mix, mix. Banana, smash. Mix, mix. Dragon fruit, smash. Yellow dragon fruit, smash. Red apple, smash. Green apple, smash. Peach, smash. Plum, smash. Guava, smash. Avocados from Mexico, smash. Mix, mix. Grapefruit, mix, mix. Orange, mix, mix. Lime, mix, mix. Pomegranate, green juice, celery juice, green smoothie, bubbles, suck it up, inject the superfoods, peptide, turn it on and dispense. Now we just wait a few minutes and I'll be right back to try it on. It feels so healthy. And it smells nutritious. Let's make a smoothie. It's not delicious, but it is nutritious. Subscribe and comment what face mask you want to see next.